guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to clear your JioHotstar watch history on your phone, smart TV or in your PC, laptop. Okay, so if you want to clear the watch history or continue watch history from the JioHotstar app, just need to log in the JioHotstar account on your phone. So there is a no direct method to clear the watch history on your PC, laptop or in your smart TV. Okay, to clear this you need to log in the Hotstar in your phone app. Okay, after doing this guys, in the bottom right side corner here you can get the option my spaces. Just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option continue watching. As you can see guys, so this is your watch history. If you want to clear this, so just tap on three dots and here you can get the option remove from continue watching. Just tap on it, tap on three dots and tap on remove from continue watching. So there is a no option to clear your complete all watch history at a time, so you need to clear one by one like this. Okay, so this is the way to clear the watch history from the JioHotstar app. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.